Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can record in Microsoft Teams. So without further ado, let's begin. So recording in Microsoft Teams is really easy. All we need to do is to start a meeting, and then after that we can use our device or mobile phone's screen recording app to record the meeting. So for example, for me, I have this device or screen recording app on my phone. So I just can easily tap on screen record and then just tap on that to start recording. And then after recording, just tap again to stop the recording. So screen recording on your Microsoft Teams on your mobile phone is really easy. You can download a separate app on your phone to screen record, or you can just use a built-in app just like mine to record your meeting. So just tap on stop to stop the recording and then start to start the recording. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.